Good morning, students. So today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss the first activity that is being given to you, which is to verify the algebraic identity of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So without delaying, let us start the class. I hope you can see the screen. This is activity. Okay. Activity. This is actually activity 1. Let's do the topic. Verify the algebraic identity. What is the algebraic identity? The algebraic identity is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the algebraic identity. Okay, we have already shared the document, PDF document in your WhatsApp group. There you have the idea how to do it. But here I'm going to discuss the hand-on working principle. That means how would we know actually and what to paste in our copy, the hand working, the working principle. So whatever is there in the document, that means the principle, then your observation, then the materials used, those things you need to write. Here in this video lecture, I'm just going to discuss the working principle of the following algebraic identity. Okay. So for that, what we need to do is we need to so what we are going to discuss, I'm going to discuss hand-on working. Hand-on working principle. Okay, so this is, I'm going to discuss hand-on working principle. Remember, whatever there is in the document, that means material, the steps to do, your observation, those things you need to do as per as the document. Here I'm just going to discuss the hand-on working principle. So for that, what you need to take is, we need to take one square of, suppose, 6 centimeter. Okay. Clear? We have taken one square of 6 centimeter. Next, I have to take, suppose, again one square of 4 centimeter. Okay. Clear? So again, I have taken one square of 6 centimeter, and then I have taken one square of 4 centimeter. Clear? Now I have to take two rectangles of, now this is 4 and this is 6. Understood? Here the side of the square is of 4 centimeter, and here the yellow on the side of the square is the yellow on the side of the square is 6 centimeter, and the sky blue one, the side of the square is 4 centimeter. Okay. So now we need to take two rectangles of, now see, the side will be, that means the length will be 6, but the breadth will be 4. Understood? Again, I'm saying the length will be 6 and breadth will be 4, because we have taken one square of 6 centimeter, another one is of 4 centimeter. So therefore, we need to make a triangle in which one side is of, I mean, one length is of 6 centimeter and breadth will be of 4 centimeter. So let us do that. Okay. Clear? So therefore, I have made two such rectangles. So therefore, this is what you need. One square of 6 centimeter, one square of 4 centimeter, one rectangle of side 6 centimeter and in length 6 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter. Two rectangles of length 6 and breadth 4. Now, as you can see, we have a square. So this is a square, and this one is b square, and this one is AB, because area will be what? Length into breadth. So this one is AB, and this one is also AB. So AB plus AB, 2AB. So this term we have got a square plus 2AB plus b square. Right? Now we need what? A plus b. Right? So A plus b means, therefore we need to make a square whose side is 10 centimeter. So let us do that. Okay. So now we are going to take 1 square of 10 centimeter. Okay, length 6 base 10. Now you are wondering that why sir has taken here one and here one, because we need 6 plus 4 10 na. So this square, the length is 6 centimeter and this is 4. So this whole length is 10. Here also this is 6 and this is 4. The whole length is 10. So to make our drawing easy, we have to take this one. But you don't have to take one. You just with scale measure 10 centimeter, because I don't have the luxury of measuring by scale here. Therefore, I need to come up with this idea how to take 10 centimeter, how to make 10 centimeter square with 1 6 and 1 4. So that's why I needed 2. But in your practicality, in your activity, you don't need 2. You just need 1 square of 4 centimeter. Okay, length. Okay, then. So as you can see, I have made this one. The length will be, the area will be what? 6 plus 4, 10. So 10 whole square. So here I'm giving it outline. Okay, and save. Right. Okay, then. So this is what we needed. Now we are going to assemble. Now here is the interesting part. So see, as per our identity, a plus b whole square should be equals to a square plus 2b plus b square. That means this square's area should be equals to this, and these two. Right? That is our basic principle. This should be the case. So let us see it happens or not. First, I'm taking the 6 one. Okay. Just a minute. So here, this one, at first I have taken the 6 centimeter square. Then I have taken the 4 centimeter square. Okay, see how it is coming as a puzzle. So we have at first put here, see, coming, and this one you need to rotate. Okay, see, is fitting perfectly, isn't it? Just a minute. Okay, is fitting perfectly, isn't it? So see, therefore, here again, we have taken 1 6 centimeter, 1 4 centimeter, one of length 6 breadth 4, and this one is also length 6 breadth 4. Now you are wondering, sir, how would I sew this? So see, you have to glue this portion. Okay, so you need to take 1 6 plus 4 10 centimeter square, 1 6 centimeter square, 1 4 centimeter square, and one rectangle of length 6 breadth 4, another rectangle of length 6 breadth 4. Now when you are putting it together in the activity copy, in the left side you have your blank page, blank white page. There at first you paint this big square of 10 centimeter. Okay, now you glue this portion. this left side portion, and then you stick it here. Okay, always remember only the left side. That means these three sides, one side, this, again I'm saying, this side you glue, left side, but this side, and this side, these three sides should be open. That means no glue. Okay, done. Similarly, you have to glue of this square, you have to glue the right side. The remaining three sides should be open. Okay, so then here you paste here. Clear? Similarly, in this rectangle, you glue this side, this left side, and this side should be open. And then you paste it here so that this side, three sides should be open. And here also in this rectangle, you glue this side, this left side, sorry, this right side, and these three sides should be open. So then you paste here. Okay. And then when you are clicking the picture in order to upload your activity, you just ask someone to hold them back. That means they are paper, na? So you just ask someone to hold them like this, and then you click the picture, so that I know that behind these four objects, there is another object of length 6 plus 4. Okay. So this is the working principle then. I hope you have enjoyed this video lecture and you now have a complete understanding of the algebraic identity a plus b whole square. Do your activity as per as the instruction. And this is it for today. Thank you. Have a very nice day.